Hi, good morning everyone. So today we meet again online class with me, Teacher Linda. So how are you? I hope you are fine. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay. What's our topic today? Okay, don't worry, just bear with me and I will teach you another grammar lesson today. Actually, it's actually a revision, right? Most of us already know about it. It just we need some refreshment. Okay. By the end of the lesson, you will learn on the most confusing preposition in English language. Okay. There are at, on, in. Okay. Sounds very easy, but it's confusing. If you think you are alone in this problem, no. Most of my students having these difficulties in understand what is and where when to use those three preposition as apply to time. Okay, so actually I found a solution that might help you in this is a triangle methods. Okay, I will explain to you later. So what do you do? Just keep watching until I'm done. Okay, so now let's see how this triangle method works. Okay, you see, this is the triangle. Okay, at is on top, the narrowest. That shows we use at for a very specific time. For example, at 6 p.m., at 8 a.m., at midnight. Okay, those are very specific and in a short time, in short period of time. Okay, we move to on. What about on? You see here, on is a little bit wider than at. Okay, so we use on to show one day or one date. For examples, on Thursday, on May 15th, on New Year's Day. Okay, so these are in one day. Okay, when you want to explain something in one day, you use on. It's a little bit wider than this. Okay, so in is the widest among the three prepositions. Okay, we use it when you want to show or you want to talk about months, seasons, years, decades, centuries, and long periods. Okay, for example, in June is in a month, right? Okay, in the winter, in 2020, in the 1980s. Okay, all this, okay, in the past, in the future. This all are showing something that in a long period of time. So you use in. Okay, see? Now it's easier for you to see, right? At least you have something to refer when you want to use these three. Again, I repeat, please remember this triangle. On top will be at because it is narrow, the narrowest. We use it for a specific time. And then on, a little bit wider than that. And in will be the widest among those three. Okay? It's easy. And now let's apply in the sentence. Then you will see clearer than this. Okay? Let us apply those three prepositions in the sentences. Okay, first of all, let's look at and revise the triangle methods again. On top of it is at, the narrowest, the specific one. And then on will be a little bit wider than that. And in will be the widest covering of the period of time. Okay, let's see. I need you to understand this because it's always better to understand than memorizing things. Okay? So, first, question number 1. 5. We know that 5 is a very specific time. So, when it comes to specific time, we use at. Is the narrowest. Yes, correct. Okay. So, it's at, the narrowest. And it's specific, at 5. Okay, next. Saturday. Okay, Saturday, as I mentioned earlier, when we want to explain or say something related to a day, in a day, or in at a specific date, okay, so we use, yes, correct, it's on, because day will be a little bit wider than specific timing, right? This can, okay, so it will be on Saturday. Okay, next, autumn. Autumn is a season, right? It's, so when it comes to season, it shows you a very long period of time. So we use in, correct. Well done. Okay, Independence Day. Okay, the clue here is day. When we Independence Day is not every day, right? It's not in a longer period of time. It's just in one day. So Independence Day we use on. On Independence Day is in a day. Okay, next, see you, night. Here the timing is night. Night is very specific, right? It's either noon, it's night. Okay, so we use at night, very specific, at night. Okay, so see you at night, see you at noon. Okay, next, the last one, I'll meet you Monday. The time here is Monday. Monday is in one day. So when it's come to one day, we use on. Alright, I'll meet you on Monday. See? Easy peasy. Okay, so now when you can understand this triangle method, it will help you a lot when you want to answer this kind of question. So as usual, we will do enrichment activities after this. Okay, now, so we're done. Easy, right? So let's revise. From the first one I mentioned, it's a triangle method. I need you to remember, I need you to understand it well. When you want to recognize or identify which one to use, you can always refer to that triangle methods. The narrowest on top will be at, and the second one is on, and the last one will be in, the widest. So when you already identify those three things, you can easily relate to the timing. For example, the narrowest at on top will be specific timing, like 5 p.m., 6 p.m., at night, at noon. Okay, those are very specific. Okay, when it comes to the second level of the triangle, is on, is a little bit wider than at, so we use it to mention, to cover a day in one day, like Monday, Independence Day, my birthday, or specific date, June 8th, okay, December 25th. Okay, those are timing that relate to a day that you can use on. Okay, next, the widest among all will be in. Okay, in, when you want to mention something that is in a longer period of time, like seasons, a year, in a year, the past, something that already happened, past, like in the past, or in the future, that's something in a long period of time. So the clue will be the long period of time you use in. That's why in is in the lowest level of the triangle, the biggest coverage. Okay, all right, so easy, very easy. Now I really hope I can help you to understand better on this common preposition but quite confusing. Okay, so now please do some revision and I will provide you with the worksheet after this. Thank you. See you again next week and stay safe. Bye bye.